it out kind of from that angle. This thing's kind of hard to get into. It's got this little piece on here that sits on a metal tab. So I think if you pull down a little bit on the metal tab, it will eventually loosen up. Here's the metal piece that kind of comes out. That's a better view of it. There you go. And then you have all the backing here of the actual bulb. So we're going to remove the bulb at this point. It's pretty easy. All you do to remove the bulb is this metal spring here. Just kind of push it in and push up, and it will come undone. That'll open up that piece, and you should be able to just pull it out. So I can pull it out there. Be very careful because you don't want to break the glass. But as you can tell, you can kind of get it out there. I'm going to turn it around and not hold the camera so I could actually unplug it. All right, so I added just a little bit of spray glue that I have. I know I shouldn't probably do that, but this grommet thing keeps coming out all the time, and I need a little bit of help there so it doesn't. Tell why people remove the bumper. This thing is a pain in the ass. There we go. There we go. All right, you kind of feel it eventually snug its way in there. And then hopefully, there we go, now I got it. Let's use this piece here. I don't have it on the other side too. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. So it does take some maneuvering to get in there.